It's here. This is my quarterly Notiq Elegant and Ambitious Lifestyle box. So let's open it up. What do you say? Hey guys, my name is Tracy and I want to welcome you all back to my channel, and for those of you that are here for the first time, welcome. So yes, this is my quarterly lifestyle box from Notiq. Now I say quarterly, however what VJ has been doing, I think she's been doing this for some time now, is combining two of the quarters together to give you a bigger box. It just saves her on shipping costs, which then means that we do not incur any extra fees. This is going to be my final one. I did unsubscribe because this is more of a treat because as you have seen with all my other ones, I like to shop cheap and this was not cheap. Okay. I will say that I have no idea what's in here. The first box that I got, I absolutely loved, and I did not realize I will be using the products as much as I have. I will insert a photo of the products that I got in the first box. I could have changed the items that I got. Basically, it was like a small backpack, a big backpack, and then like a tote bag. You could have gotten like 3 big backpacks. You could have gotten 3 tote bags, or you could have got one of each. I wish I would have gotten 2 of the small backpacks because they had 2 different colors, and I use that so much. I use that in the tote. I haven't used the big backpack, but I use the other 2 all the time. So so far I'm happy with it, but I am a little bit nervous about this one. Like I said, because it's just a hefty price tag. So I'm a little nervous. All right, so let's see what is in here. Okay. So what is inside? Spring, summer 2025. I don't know. It says Mystery and Luxury Part 2. So we have some tissue paper. Okay, we have, this feels thick. And then we have, we have a tote bag. Oh, this is structured. Wow. Okay, this is like structured. Okay, let's see. I'm probably gonna have to like take a picture of this and insert it. But oh my gosh, this is like, I thought like, wow. When I first saw this, I thought it was gonna be like one of those, you know, just duffel bags. This is like structured, which is not a bad thing at all. This is like a nice bag. So can you see it? So you have this pattern. It just says Notiq on it. You have a pretty big pocket here. You don't have any side pockets. You do have inside pockets. Yay. You have one inside pocket over here. It's pretty tight. It's like a velvety interior, y'all. This is nice. And then you have your strap. So you have your 2 handles here that you can use, and then you have your your strap. So yeah, this is nice. I do like that it's actually structured because you know things won't get banged up as much. This will probably be like carry-on size. Let's set that aside. And then we have something in a dust bag. What is it? Is it a purse? I think it's a purse, y'all. Oh, so this is the other pattern. So where did I do with that? What did I do with the paper? I think I just tossed it aside and now I lost it, y'all. I don't know where it is now. I tossed things aside. So we got this purse and it has gold hardware, which I'm actually a gold girl now, so I'm okay with that. All right, so this, you have a pocket in the back. Yes, I love having exterior pockets, and you do have 1 pocket in here. So you don't have the 1 pocket, you don't have 2 on the interior. And let's take this off. Oh, this is heavy. I mean, it means it's a high quality chain. It's just heavy. A little bit heavier than I would like for a purse, but there we go. All right, guys, here we go. I got both items here. I did try out this. I didn't try it out. It does, I mean, it feels like a good hearty zipper. It still needs to get its shape back from being packaged flat. So I have to do that. I have to air it out a little bit as well. But this card does tell me what the retail value is of this. So let's talk about it. So this is the OFI travel bag. I don't know if that is a style or a brand. Because the tag is just a Notiq tag, so I'm not sure I'm guessing it might be a style. I'm not sure. They're saying this box, I mean this bag retails for $495. Okay, full disclosure, I am a discount shopper. So sometimes, like, I don't know luxury when it's like staring me in the face. So I don't know. Like, I don't know. Is this luxury? Like I said, it feels really good. I've never felt a duffel bag with this much like structure and stuff like this. So I feel like it's going to last, and I like the feet and stuff on it. So I feel like it's going to last over some of the other duffel bags. The material feels really good and things like that. So we're going to have to see. And of course, the interior, you know, what you saw is like a velvety interior. So I guess it is luxurious. Like I said, I'm just not someone used to purchasing a lot of luxurious items. So I don't know how to compare it. I will tell you, when it comes to duffel bags, your girl's spending like 30 bucks on a duffel, because I only spend like 50 on a suitcase. So I can't spend that much on a duffel when I'm spending 50 on a suitcase. But yeah, so $4.95. I'll have to do some research on this to see if that's kind of, you know, what they go for. I'll have to like look up luxurious duffels or something like that. I really want one of the best bags, BEIS. That would have been cool, but those aren't that expensive. They're like $100. Look at me. I wouldn't purchase it because I thought it was too expensive. But whatever. And now I'm like, because of the price of that bag, I'm like, oh, well, the best one is not that expensive. Okay, we got to get back to this because we need to end this video. So this is a purse. They call this, well, they call it a bag, but it's obviously a purse. So they call it the SOIGE, the Soye. Is that how you say it? It's like the G silent. Houndstooth bag. This is retail valued at $225. Now I do know purses like Coach and stuff like that. If you buy, you know, them from the regular store and not the outlet, you know, they do run upwards of like $200+ you know, I do see that. I only shop the outlets. So I don't know, like that's what I said, it's hard for me to kind of say what the true value is. It feels quality. Like I said, this is heavy, which, like I already expressed, I don't love the heaviness of this personally. Oh, there are feet. I don't know if I showed you guys that. I don't love the heaviness of this personally, but that's probably because I like cheap things, so I'm not used to heaviness of it. So yeah, I obviously would not pay that much for a purse. I mean, I have paid like $150, $160 for a purse. But this one, if I saw it in the store, I don't know that I would even like gravitate toward it. But let's say I did, I would probably get it for like maybe $70. Like if this was Kate Spade or something like that, I would probably consider it like that, because I don't know what store I would see this in, but it's nice. It seems like it was, you know, made well, but that's really far under what I paid for these two boxes combined out of pocket. So I will say, for me personally, even though the retail value is $720, what I would have personally paid for similar items is under what I paid for this box, which is a little disappointing, but I do understand that I need to get with the times, and times are changing and things are more expensive, and I haven't really shopped for certain things in a while, just because I have an abundance of things, and because of the times, I'm just like keeping what I got. So I do understand that. So I'm not like kicking myself or anything like that. I think it's just that first box for me was just such a like great box, and I love everything that I got in that box, and I think the value was there, what I would have paid for all of the items. That this one is a little short, even though they claim the value is there. And I think if they go up on the site, that is what they're going to go for on the site. So even if she reduced it to a clearance item, it would still be more than what I paid for them. So there's that. If you are interested in the Notiq subscription, because this might be, like I said, if I'm not as up to speed on luxury items as much, you may be, and you might be like, wow, that's a steal. Definitely, like, you know, you can check it out. I do have the video of I actually did not do a video of my first unboxing. That's why I said earlier I will put a picture up. I do have videos posted for the Fashion and Ink subscription box from Notiq. That is the stationery subscription box. That one is substantially cheaper. It still is quarterly, but it's, I believe, $70 a month, at least when I had subscribed. And I did the annual subscription, which bumped it down to like $65 or $62 a month, I think is what it was, with the annual price. I do believe that one was worth it. The fourth box I got was not great, but the other three I think made up for it. So if you are curious, definitely check out those videos. They are in my unboxing and haul videos, to see whether or not this is a subscription that you might want to consider, if not now, sometime in the future. So there we go, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I do hope you enjoyed this honest take. I do like to be honest when I do these videos. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, please press that like button. If you've yet to subscribe, I hope you would also consider subscribing to my channel, because now that this subscription is done and gone, I think I'm gonna have to find another subscription. So it's done and gone for me. It's still out there, I think. But I'm gonna have to find another subscription. I think I'm gonna do more of a crafty subscription. I definitely don't need any more lifestyle items. But yeah, there we go. All right, guys, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.